Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to transfer your cryptos, specifically Bitcoin, from Binance to crypto.com. If you've been looking to move your funds between these two popular platforms, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more crypto tips and tutorials. Now let's get started. Alright, first things first, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet tab on the top right corner of the screen and select Fiat and Spot from the drop-down menu. In the Fiat and Spot section, you'll see a list of all your cryptocurrencies. Find Bitcoin and click on the Withdraw button next to it. Now you'll need to provide the withdrawal details. This is where you'll enter your crypto.com Bitcoin wallet address. To find your crypto.com Bitcoin wallet address, open the crypto.com and tap on Accounts at the bottom of the screen. Then select Crypto Wallet and tap on Bitcoin. Here you'll see an option to deposit. Tap on that and you'll be given your Bitcoin deposit address. Make sure to copy this address carefully. Back on Binance, paste this address into the recipient's BTC address field. Be extra careful to double check that the address is correct. Sending crypto to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. You want to transfer all your Bitcoin, you can click on Max to automatically fill in the maximum amount. Binance may ask you to confirm the transaction with a security code. Check your email or phone for the code and enter it to proceed. Once you've confirmed everything, click on Submit. Binance will then process your withdrawal request. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can vary depending on network congestion. After a short while, you should see the Bitcoin appear in your crypto.com. You can verify this by going to the crypto.com and checking your Bitcoin balance. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Bitcoin from Binance to crypto.